think they'll work. I think they'll work.
So we're caught up in drama. Everybody's talking. We're caught up in problem. Everybody's talking.
Hello, nerdy viewers out there. Scott and Allison, and do we have an episode for you?
We finally got to building our interior structure with a little help from our friend, Dan the Builder Man.
Do us a huge favor and subscribe below and leave us a comment. We really enjoy connecting with all of you.
Now check it out as we shape this old bus into our new home.
Bright and early, Dan showed up and we went over the whole floor plan, made a few changes, and then got to work. You basically have two options when it comes to securing your wall studs to the ceiling. There's the old school method of kerfing your boards.
The other method is a bit more geometric and uses blocks with angles cut into them. We glued some reflectics to the wheel wells underneath our shower and toilet area as well as the closet area.
After we got the insulation down, our 100-gallon fresh tank in place, we got the plywood down.
Next, we got the rest of the wall studs up, cut the insulation, and nailed up the plywood.
Almost all the walls are up, and it's time to close up the throne room with a custom door job.
The guys had to chop the door a few inches and chisel out space to fit the hinges in.
The throne room has a door, and it's time to plan out the dog crates / bed frame. We wanted to have enough room for our dogs in the dog crates, so we took measurements of our dog crate that we have in our living room and made our crates about the same size.
We decided to put their crates directly underneath where our bed frame's gonna go because we assume they're gonna be sleeping with us most of the time anyway, and we want them close. We also decided that we were going to custom make our dog beds for the crates. We took some old material that we had laying around and used some old couch cushions and stuffed ourselves up some brand new dog beds, which you'll be seeing those soon.
We decided to start tackling the front of the bus. We needed to determine how big our couch was going to be and some rough idea of our entertainment work area measurements.
After we figured out the basic size of our couch, we screwed some 2x4s to the floor.
To provide the most storage space in the front of the bus, we built a platform similar to the one in the back, but this one was just above the wheel wells.
The original idea was to have 3 sections of underfloor storage, but as we formulated our plan, we realized we would want a bit more support in this platform because it will take the majority of the foot traffic.
We ended up dividing it into 9 sections with 3 doors. This will also help us keep things organized and not have such large space for things to move around. Allison decided to do a little walking tour of the bus while Dan and I wrapped up the platform frame.
I wanted to show everyone how far we have come since our last video. The shower is walled in, and we are almost done with the floor in our bedroom.
Like always, Allison attacked the bus with a vacuum, and we got some plywood down to cover the front storage cubbies.
Exhausted after a long week of working on the bus, we crashed and finally got to lay down in the bus.
Thanks for watching, and do us a huge favor, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below.
Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram and follow along our journey.
Two nerds.